morning everyone, and today we are going to start with the rhymes and then we are going to write in the cursive book also, and we are going to do phonic book page number 5050 also. So let us start with the traffic lights. Now traffic rules. So you can see here the traffic rules which is given and a beautiful traffic light also. I would like to elaborate the traffic rules and what are the importance of the traffic rules also. Okay, suppose for example, when you are going outside, you can see there is lot many of traffic on the road. Okay, to control the traffic, that is vehicles especially, what the government has done, the government has given the traffic rules which we all have to follow. Okay, आप घूमने जाते हो तो आपने देखा होगा पापा कहीं कहीं 4 जहाँ पे क्रॉस रोड्स होते हैं या सिग्नल्स होती है वहां पे एक लाइट जलती है तो पापा रुक जाते हैं. तो दिस इज नॉट फॉर 1 or 2 बट एवरी वन ऑफ अस हैव टू फॉलो द रूल्स विच इज गिवन बाय द गवर्नमेंट. ओके, तो यहाँ पे 3 लाइट्स दी गई है. दिस इज रेड लाइट विच सेज स्टॉप, येलो लाइट विच सेज वेट एंड ग्रीन लाइट विच सेज गो. तो आपने देखा होगा जब ग्रीन लाइट होती है तो पापा स्टार्ट्स कैरिंग द कार अवे फ्रॉम द one place to other road, or we can say one place to other place. Okay, so let us sing the rhymes, that is traffic rules. So red light, what do you say? You have to repeat. Red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop right away. I say stop, stop right away. Yellow light, what do you say? Yellow light, what do you say? I say wait. You have to wait for some minutes, okay? Because the traffics or the signals which we can see on the traffic light, it says you have to wait for the few minutes to get up, start to go away. Okay, so yellow light says to wait for a while. So yellow light, what do you say? I say wait right away. And the last is green light which says go to all of us. So green light, what do you say? Green light, what do you say? I say go. The man who is standing over there, I can say the traffic police inspector, he says from the one hand to stop the opposite road and the others he says that you go. So this is the sign what he does on the traffic to maintain the, I can say, the rush within the traffic. Okay, so green light, what do you say? I say go away. Means you have to go. When he says come on, you have to move. So this is being done by the lights also if there is no person to control the lights. Okay, अगर वहां पे कोई आदमी नहीं खड़ा होता है तो उसके बाद भी we have to follow the lights and then according to that we go also. So one more time we will say red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop away. Yellow light, what do you say? I say wait right away. Green light, what do you say? I say go away. And now coming to the phonic book, that is page number 5050, you can see here the things I had written on the board and how it has to be pronounced. Okay, so this is O P word. This is O, P, O and P. So first of all O, I have said when you say O, your mouth goes O, and P, so P. The 2 lips, it has to be joined together and then only you have to say P. Okay, so K, O, P, copper. This is K, O and P. Copper. Cop means the police, the man who is guarding our country. Okay, the man who is having authority to stop the robbery. So there are many things which is done by the policeman. He is also there for the security of the whole country also. So he is known as K, O, P, तो क you have to write with the cursive C, then O and P. Cough. H, O, P. Hop. So H you have to write H, O, P. Hop. So yes, we will say together H, O, P. Hop means to jump with the two legs. You have to take your two legs up together, then it is also known as hop. Okay, तो hop जो होता है दोनों पैर उठा के हम एक साथ करते हैं, that is known as hopping. So hopping is usually done by rabbits, we can say kangaroo, when they take all the legs together and jump from one place to another. So that is known as hop. Then next is m, o, p, mop. So this is M. It says m, o and p, mop. तो मॉप मीन्स ममा यूज टू डू, ममा घर में झाड़ू और पोछा लगाती है, तो इट इज नोन एज, यू कैन यूज इन द डेली लाइफ ऑल्सो वर्ड दैट इज डस्टिंग एंड मॉपिंग. तो झाड़ू जो करते हैं उसको आप बोल सकते हो डस्टिंग करना, एंड मॉप करना मीन्स पोछा लगाना. You can see in the book there is a stick with which we used to mop or we used to clean the house. So again, m, o, p, mop. Then you can see this side there is a balloon and with the help of balloon we used to pop also. जब balloon को हम फोड़ते हैं तो उसे कहते हैं pop. P, o, p, pop. With the help of needle we used to burst the balloons. तो उसे कहेंगे p, o, p, popper. T, o, p, topper. टॉप मीन्स लट्टू होता है विच रॉल्स ऑन द ग्राउंड, रोल एंड रोल होता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ थ्रेड, जो बच्चों को स्पेशली बॉयज को बहुत अच्छा लगता है टॉप घुमाना. तो ट, ओ, प, टॉपर. टॉप मीन्स यू कैन ऑल्सो से द टी शर्ट और द अपर, वी यूज टू वेयर द टी शर्ट ऑन द अपर बॉडी, तो उसको भी टॉप बोलते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पिक्चर में टॉप ही है. टॉप का होता है मतलब लट्टू जो घुमाते हैं, रोल एंड रोल. And last is stir, S and T. It will be together said. तो stir, S and T. तो उसको बोलेंगे stir or p. Stop. Stop means रुकना. हमने देखा अभी ट्रैफिक लाइट में कि one of the light which says you to stop, it is red light. तो stop यानी रुकना. तो stir or p, stop. And then इफ वी सी आर कर्सिव बुक, तो हमारी कर्सिव बुक जो है उसमें भी हमें लिखना है, तो आई से हमें स्टार्ट करना है. तो यू कैन सी हियर आई मैंने लिखा हुआ है, मैं ट्रेसिंग करूंगी आई को. तो यू हैव टू राइट आई एंड ए, देन आई एंड बी, आई एंड सी, अप टू आई एंड आर यू हैव टू फिनिश. तो लेट अस डू टुगेदर एंड आई एम गोइंग टू ट्रेस इट. मैं ट्रेस करने वाली हूँ, तो आप बुक में भी देख सकते हो, बुक में भी ट्रेसिंग दिया गया है. देयर इज अ प्रॉपर स्ट्रोक टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ट्रेस एंड देन वन लाइन इज गिवन जस्ट बिलो इट टू राइट योर ओन सेल्फ. आप अपने आप भी लिखना है उसको बाद में, लेकिन पहले ट्रेसिंग करेंगे. ट्रेस करने के बाद में यू कैन ट्राई टू राइट बाय योर ओन. तो लेट अस स्टार्ट ट्रेसिंग. यस, आई एंड ए, आई एंड बी. Yes, I and C. Tail निकालना है C का. You can see here the tail is there. So you have to take out the tail out to join the other word. यहाँ पे अभी आगे नहीं है, लेकिन बाद में कभी हो सकता है. I and D. Again you have to take out the tail of the letter D. I and E. ई का भी टेल बाहर निकालना है. आई एंड एफ, आई एंड जी, आई एंड एच, आई एंड आई टुगेदर. Two dots you have to do. The dot should be visible. Dot उतना कम मत करना कि आपको दिखाई ना दे. You can see here मेरे dots है वो clearly दिखाई देते हैं. have to also do the dots according to that only. I and J. Put the dot nicely. I and K. I and L. I and M. I and N. I and O. I and P. I and Q. I and R. So yes kids, the another page which is given on the book on the other side, that is for homework. So yes, write well. You have to do practice with a sharpened pencil, and eraser free writing is very necessary. So yes, you have to focus your mind. You have to train your mind in such a way that you don't need the eraser more and more to use. Yes, till the time, write well, and tata and bye bye.